mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 21, 2024, Sunday Racing. Sa araw ng linggo, gaganapin ang pinaka-hihintay na third leg ng Triple Crown. 9 races ang nakatakda sa nag-iisang Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas at mayroong 3 stake races. Umpisa natin ang ating mga cool choices, pero muli i-acknowledge natin National Disability Rights Week ang linggong ito. Race number 1. Ito ang 3-year-old locally bred stake race. First choice, number 7, The Kiss. Second choice, number 1, Every Sweat Counts. Race 2. Ito ang 2024 Philracom Hopeful Stake Race. Yung mga hindi nakasali sa third leg. 2,000 meter din ito katulad ng race 1. First choice, number 5, Wolf 359. Second choice, number 3, Summer Rule. Race 3, pinaka main event at ang pangatlong stake race, 2,000 meter distance, 2024 Philracom third leg Triple Crown stake race. Only choice, number 3, Goes 3A Amazing. Tayo sa race number 4. First choice, number 2, Days Ex Machina. Second choice, number 6, Bohemian. Third choice, number 8, Monument. Race 5, ang ating cool first choice, number 12, Manila Boy. Second choice, number 6, Sky Lover. Third choice, number 11, Aphrodite. Race 6, first cool choice natin, maybe this time parang ano ito Sundance. Alam nyo na. First choice, number 7, Autumn Shower. Second choice, number 10, Alas Sabon. Race 7, ang ating cool and only choice, number 10, Heart of a Champion. Race 8, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 4, Magandang Dilag. Second choice, number 9, Doña Leoncia. Third choice, number 8, Full Combat Order. Race 9, last race. Race na may Super 6. First choice, number 4, Bada Bing. Second choice, number 1, Jubilum. Third choice, number 6, Grand Monarch. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!